Hey guys, today we are going to discuss about loops in Java. So let's start. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, first of all, let's create a project, Java project. Let's call it loops. Okay, this is the project and class. Let's call it loops demo. All right, let's create our public static void main. All right. So far, we have seen if-else statements, right? So uh, loop is also quite easy thing. For example, if I say int count is equal to 1, now if count is equal 1, then print something. That's system dot out dot print ln. Okay. And here I say print count. All right. Now, this is what we have learned so far in the if-else statements. If condition is true, then go inside the body of if and do some tasks or print this line. So if I say here, if I change, as you know, count is, let's say, less than 10, which is again, 1 is less than 10, which is true, and print it, it will print the same thing. Now loops. Loop is like executing something in a cycle. So one of the loops is called while loop. So see, I just changed if from if to while. But we need to be careful. Now while, what does while do? While is saying that keep go, keep going inside this body of my while loop as long as the condition is true. Keep doing, keep doing, keep doing. But if I put if, in case of if condition is true, it will only execute this statement once. It means it will not come back and keep repeating, right? And this is what we saw. We just saw if one is printed once. But whenever I change this one to if to while, now it means keep cycling it as long as condition is true. So we need to be careful about this thing. This could go for infinite loop. Infinite loop mean continue forever. Now count is 1. Yes, 1 is less than 10. Is this true? Yes, true. Go inside. Print what? Print 1. Okay. Come back. While will pull it back. Come to me. So it will come back to that. And what is count is still 1. 1 less than 10, true. Continue, continue. It will be continuing forever. This is not a good thing. Infinite loop is not a good thing. So let's see. See, it's going on and on and on and on. And you can see here, okay, I'm not doing anything. It's automatically doing. So this is not a good thing. So in order to stop it, you need to click on this button, red button, terminate. All right, so now you see it stopped. All right, so we don't want to do thing like this. We say, okay, we want to print from 1 to 10. So we need to see here what to do. Count, which is 1, count is less than 10. So condition is true, print 1. Now we need to do something here. Count plus plus. Now count plus plus means count initially as 1, print 1, come here, now count becomes 2. It will go back, is cycle. And ultimately we should break this cycle, otherwise it's an infinite loop. So 2 is less than 10, true, print 2. Now count 3, make it 3. 3 is less than, yes, continue, continue, continue. And there will be time when count will become 9. 9 is less than 10, true, print 9, and here it will become 10. 10 is less than 10, no, it's false, it will go out. So from 1 to 9 will be printed, 10 will not be printed. Now if I want to print 10 also, so I will do like this, less than equal to. So now is 10. 10 is equal to 10, yes, true. Print 10 also. Now count becomes 11. 11 is less than equal to 10. No, it's greater than equal to 10. So then don't go inside, come outside and terminate the program. So 1 to 10 must be printed, 11 is not printed. So let's see, save it, run it. Okay, cool, 1 to 10 is printed. All right, this is called while loop. So it's a cycle, and it works like this, that we should bring some conditions at some point that loop should be terminated. Okay, now there is another type of loop that is called for loop. Okay, so let's see. For loop start with for. Okay, and it has certain syntax. I'm going to delete this guy here from here. It has certain syntax. Let's clean it up. Let's clean it up, everything. And we will print something inside. For loop, for and parentheses, okay? So its syntax is like this, integer, let's say I is equal to 0. So we are starting I with 0, like we started count with 1. I is 0. I is less than equal to 10. Same kind of condition. And semicolon, I plus plus. Now I want to print 1 to 1 to 10. Okay, so let's see carefully. Are we printing 1 to 10 or more than that? Okay, so let's see what is going on. I is 0, and it will go on till this, and it will check the condition first before entering inside the body of the loop. I, which is 0, 0 is less than equal to 10, true. Now enter the body, print 0. What is I? I is 0. Now then it will go up. I is 0 here. I will be plus plus 1, right, without semicolon here. I is 1, and now it will not go to this side. It will stick to this side. So the whole time it will be sticking to this side. Check condition, increment, check condition, increment. This is again a cycle. 1 is less than equal to 10, yes. Go inside, print 1. Then I plus plus, make it 2. 2 is less than equal to 10, true. Continue, continue, continue. So the first value will be printed as 0. What will be the last value? So once you keep printing 0, 1, 2, 3, there will be time when this I plus plus will make I itself as 10. 10 is less than equal to 10, condition is true, yes. Print 10, and then make it 11. 11 is less than equal to 10, no. So it will not go here. So let's see what's printed. Save it, run it. This time we are having from 0 to 10. Okay, 0 to 10. Why? Because we started from 0. If I say, no, don't start from 0, start with 1. So I can change either here. So now you see is 0 is no more 1 to 10. Or I can still keep it 0 and I say less than 10. So this time we have 0 to 9 because we start from 0 and we go until 9. So it means we want to print 10 numbers. Okay. All right. So this is another loop which is called for loop. There is another kind of loop that is called do while loop. So let's see, integer count is equal to 1 like we did before. This time do will come first. This is the keyword. And then curly braces. At the end of this curly brace here, this block, we will type while. And while as usual we did before, the only thing is we will put semicolon here. So what does it do? Do while allows you to go inside the body of this do without checking the condition in the beginning. So we are not checking condition. We will go inside and let's say we print something, system.out.println. Okay, I want to print count. So count is what? Count is 1, right? And we're not checking anything. We should just print count, no problem. Okay. Okay, now it will print 1 and it will come here. It says, okay, tell me what condition for the next cycle. So next cycle I say, okay, continue until count is less than equal to 10. I want to print 10 numbers again, starting from 1. So it's oh, okay, first, right now count is 1. 1 is less than equal to 10. Yes, true. Go back, print what? Again, 1. Okay, second time 1 will be printed. Then 1 is less than 10. Yes, go back and again print what? 1. So every time 1, 1, 1, and it will be again infinite loop. And let's see. Okay, so if you see now here, it's infinite loop. So which is not good. So let's terminate this program here. Now we say, okay, first time print it and then make count plus plus. Now count is 2 after this statement. 2 is less than 10, yes. Print 2, come back, make it 3. 3 is less than 10, continue, continue. And there will be time when count will be 10. 10 is equal to 10, yes, go back and print 10. Now make it 11. 11 is less than or equal to 10. Now it's greater than. So terminate the do while loop and go outside. So let's see. All right, so from 1 to 10 is printed this time. All right. All right, thank you very much. And we will continue with our next topics.